So now everything is done on lab. All right. So what I used to do, I'd like to do like this: from lab import everyone. Okay. Or you can even put here I have this guy, I have to delete. So import everyone. It's fine. And here elements you keep is this guy. Then here I need this guy here. Then L2 I need this guy. Then L3 I need this guy. Oops, it's not this guy, it's this guy. It's this guy here. Here's L1 receives L receives. Okay, let's run this guy. So let's get an example, which is 0, 8, 10. Okay, so 0, 8, 10. Okay, got these results: 4, 8, 7, 6, 4, 7, 8. 4, 4, 8, 7, 6, 4, 7, 5. 6, 4, 7, 5. 0, 7, 7. 0, 7, 7. Looks that everything alright. Okay, so what I used to do now, let's see if I can submit this quiz 1. Yeah, so I can do, I used to copy everyone here. I come here, Ctrl V, Ctrl C. I paste new file called lab.py, and inside this lab I come here and I paste everyone. Okay, so everything that we did in our idle or Eclipse is here, and quiz 1 now is importing lab.py everyone and calling the functions. Alright, if you submit, you can see that everything is passing. Yes, of course, because we did the whole tests here. Alright, so now you can see how good it is to develop your code using tests. Tests are there to help you, and you do your code much faster, right? It took me some time to do this algo because I was explaining to you and all this stuff, but we could do this algo much faster. All right, of course that took me time to explain and give some tips to you, but if you follow these, never forget: first, logic. All right, what is the logic behind? Means understand that you got the right stuffs to do the test case. Apply on test case on PDF. Okay, then identify and break your code on parts that should be done. Okay, so function 1, function 2 depends on function 1, then I have function 3, then I have function 4. After you did this, at least have some some feeling. You don't have from very beginning before coding to know every functions up ahead, because if you don't forget, we created a function called isValid, is the least valid, and it wasn't amongst the initial functions. So some functions might appear. But after you were able to have a quick feeling, decide which one is the simple. If it's this one, start from this one. If it's this one, start here. F2 you cannot start instead of F1. But if F1 is simple, start if F1, then go to F3, then go to F4, and leave the most complicated one to the last. Okay? Meanwhile, you are coding, always use tests cases, alright? So after finish or end, meanwhile you are developing F1, do the test case F2 as well to make sure that all your code is correct, okay? If you do that, you're gonna be fine. In the exam, you are going to be given this the test case. The code that I showed you is very similar to the exam. I already showed you how to develop with these test codes, all right, with these tests. So get used to this, and also to apply the logic using the test, because you are going to use that in the exam, and in the exam you don't have time. All right, well, thank you very much. See you in the tutor sessions. Now we have one more tutor session on Monday by 9 to 11. We are going to continue on Wednesday 11 to 1 p.m. and on Friday from 6 to 8 p.m. All right, thank you very much. See you there.